You good? What's up? Hey, what's up? Everything all right? What is up, Bikes and Base Army? It's your boy Jay, back at it again with another video. I know if you're from anywhere down south or anywhere in like a drier climate, you are probably used to hot weather, but I still, for the life of me, cannot get used to it. In Philly, 91 degrees is pretty hot, and they're talking record temps coming up, so I don't know if that means 100 degrees. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. High 90s, whatever. It's 91 right now, and it feels like death. So I can only imagine anything higher than that. And it's bad enough that I chose to be on the bike, which I'm sitting on an oven, because this bike is air cooled. So I'm essentially sitting on an oven until I get on the highway and get some air moving past it. I will say though, update on the last video, where I said the bike was shifting kind of strange. I didn't do a full oil change on it. So I'm still waiting for the filter to ship. I ordered the filter online, but I just topped it off, and I'm no longer having any shifting issues. Everything is firm, complete. I'm still shifting hard just to be safe. Okay, it's saying 401, so chances are I'll probably get there at 350, knowing the timing myself. Oh, I just need to get on the highway, like now. I mean, in the weather's defense, yes, I have a hoodie on, and that's because I have a full book bag, and I needed to bring my hoodie because in the morning it's cold. I was about to say hot. See, my thought process is messing up. I need to get some air moving. Air. I want to stop driving so slow. I need air. Call bikes holes for doing what I just did. Understand this.
Yo, what the are you kidding me?
The rate at which people rear end motorcycles because they're not paying attention is kind of high. Right there. What we doing? Mustang! And she's a GT, old 3-valve 4.6, which I actually thought about swapping my car to, but heard too many horror stories, and that the 4-valve is the way to go. But I'm not keeping a 4.6 in my car. Going off topic. We're not talking about cars. We're talking about bikes. All right. Anyway, as far as performance-wise for this monster, ignition wires, plugs, bigger carbs, and I don't think I'm gonna do it. I may do a bore. If I do a bore on this bike, it would be to bore it from like a 7. I don't know if it's 720 something or 730 something, 740 something, whatever. It's not a true 750. And I remember that from the 250 because the 250 was labeled a 250, but it was a 234. So if I bore it, I would just bore it out to actual 750 and go from there. Really? That was my fault because I was turned completely around, but I was watching traffic on the side because no mirrors right now, so yeah, that could have been bad. Another thing that's next up on my list is bars. I don't know if you guys noticed, but yes, my bars are bent. They're angled a little bit that way. I don't think it was the owner I bought it from. I don't think it was his fault, but one of the owners in the course of this bike's life downed it pretty good, and it bent the bars. So I gotta order new bars for it. I got a new tachometer cable on the way. I think I mentioned that in the last vid. I gotta get a new headlight assembly because the headlight assembly is on here is a little bent, and the way it's angled, I gotta re-angle my headlight because when I put the high beam on, it points the high beam into the sky and it's pretty much useless. So a lot of work has to go into that. What's crazy is even at 75, this air is not enough to cool me off. It's just blowing warm air in my face. I can't open the visor because I'm gonna get smacked in the face with all kind of bugs and road debris and stuff getting kicked up off this car in front of me. I'm kind of screwed until I can get to work and get this hoodie off. Whoa, hey bro, chill out. I mean, I can tell it looks like you need an alignment, but chill out on that line, bro. You good? Oh no! Oh no! You good? What's up? Woo! Ah! What the? What time is it? I got a second. I don't know. Okay, kids, do not do what I'm about to do. This is a do not try at home. Hey, what's up? Everything all right?
Thanks for stopping. My bike's up there. I ran out of gas. And
Out
I'm
of
waiting
gas?
for my wife to come.
Okay.
So I'm kind of keeping an eye out for her car. I really appreciate you coming back.
You walked across here?
I crossed the street, yeah. Because she don't know how to turn around up there.
Okay.
Up the Tyburn Road.
Okay. But she's close though, so you're good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I appreciate you stopping.
All right, yeah, no problem.
Especially all the trouble you went through there.
It is what it is. I'm pretty sure you can hear that whole conversation, but he ran out of gas. Of course, I'm on my way to work, so I don't necessarily have time to deal with it. But if he was like medically having a situation, I was gonna help him. But that right there is gonna have me riding around with like one of those little bottles with just a couple drops of gasoline in it, like I've seen before on YouTube. But I mean, he's brave as crap to have walked across the highway after that. I would have stayed by the bike. I would have stayed by the bike. That was a risky move. As was my going back for him, but you know, I couldn't stop right there because I was in the left lane. Because if I was in the right lane, I would have saw him already, and I would have been slowing down. But it is what it is. All you can do is look out for other bikes when they appear to be in trouble. There's one thing I've learned about the biker realm or bike society as a, I'm not going to say as a whole because there are some bad apples, but bike society as a majority, we look out for each other. And the car scene is a whole lot more toxic than it is in the bike scene, so we look out for each other more. Still all love to the car scene, but it just ain't the same. I think that's enough for today. I'm like 5 minutes from work. It says 8 minutes. I'm 5 minutes from work. Just gotta wind down, get the jitters out. Because turning the bike around on the shoulder was sketchy as hell. So I'm gonna get parked up, get my jitters out, and get some videos edited up for you guys. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Alright? Peace. I love y'all. Like, subscribe, comment, post notifications, share, everything. Or at least do one of those things. Alright, love y'all. See y'all on the next one. Peace.